What if you could clone any voice in seconds, in multiple languages, and with total privacy? Get ready to discover the fastest and most powerful method that will transform your creative workflow.
That voice you just heard
was cloned and generated locally. No internet, no API keys, and it took less than 2 minutes to set it up from scratch. The tool is called VoiceBox, and it's one of the only applications that bundles multiple state-of-the-art models like Kokoro TTS, Tada, Lux TTS, ChatterBox, and others into a single installer. If you are still juggling separate tools for voice models, this video is going to change how you work. I walk you through the full installation, voice cloning in multiple languages, and a head-to-head comparison of the best available models. Without any further ado, let's get started.
Today we are looking at VoiceBox. This is a local application that can generate text-to-speech and clone voices using different generation models, all integrated in one place. You can also install it through Pinocchio, which is the method I normally use and have covered in previous video. But today we are going to use this app using the installer from the official website. So we just go here to this URL, voicebox.sh, and here the website is well organized. All the information is clearly presented, and then we scrolling through, you will see they offer native installers for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Okay, let's click on the Windows installer, which is the one I'm running right now. And the download is very straightforward. Just like installing any other application, just download the installer file, run it, and the interface opens automatically like any other program. Once it's opened, let's take a look at what is inside the application. The UI is very clean and easy to navigate. And here on the bottom left side, you have the text area where you can type what you want the voice to say. You can also choose the language from this drop-down menu, as you can see here. It supports multiple languages, in this case using this Kokoro TTS model, which is great. Now let's scroll down to the model selector, and this is where VoiceBox really stands out. And here we have access to multiple text-to-speech engines all in one place, like Kokoro TTS, a new one called Lux TTS that I hadn't seen before, ChatterBox, and Tada, among others that I also hadn't come across until now. Tada in particular has been getting very strong reviews in the AI creator community.
Okay, there is also an audio effects section here on the right. You can apply to any generated voice and a settings panel to manage your preferences. Let's head over to the model section where you can manually download each one. The process couldn't be simpler. You just click download here on this arrow and the model starts downloading automatically. And one very useful setting here is that you can change the installation directory for your models. I'm going to move mine to a secondary hard drive because these models actually tend to be quite large, around 10 to 11 gigabytes each for the bigger voice generation models. Once you update the path, the application automatically moves everything to the new location. This keeps your system drive clean and gives you more flexibility. The models are packaged to work completely offline. No internet connection required after the initial download. Okay, now let's create our first cloned voice. Okay, so in this video, we're gonna just see how to clone your own voice. I don't want to go into detail to the other settings, like how to design voices and all that, because I think it's simpler if we have our own voices cloned. Okay, and here we go to the create section. One of the features I like most about this tool is that transcriptions is built in right in. Everything is integrated. We upload here our audio file sample. In this case, I have this WAV format, and then click in transcribe. the application automatically converts your spoken audio to text. It processes super fast. The transcription is ready in seconds. And here, as you can see, the text is already auto-transcribed. Now let's configure it and save this voice. We give the name. Optionally, you can add a description and set which model to use. Okay, in this case, I will go with Kokoro TTS as default. Once the voice is saved, we paste the text we want to generate in the field below. In this case, we're going to reuse the transcription from the audio sample, or we can also type any text as you want. Then we select the model, make sure the effects section is turned off. This first generation will take a few minutes until it downloads the model first. In this case, I'm using this Kokoro TTS, which is 1.0 billion parameters, and weighs around 11 gigabytes. Once it's cached, subsequent generations are much faster, usually just a few seconds, depending on the length of your prompt. One note about the initial app download, it also shows around 11 gigabytes. The first time we install the model and we move all the files, but that's not the model itself. I think those are dependency files the program needs to run. Okay, and here we have the result. Let's play it.
Do you know that this year the trend is to create your own AI influencer? I found this platform that can create AI influencers with natural movements, and they are 100% customizable. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own avatar using this AI influencer tool here in Higgsfield. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started.
Wow, the voice is actually, the quality is excellent. The tone is natural. It has a good rhythm, very clean audio. Also keep in mind that these results depends heavily on the reference audio you use when cloning your voice. So the cleaner your original recording, the better the output. Okay, and before we continue, if you generate images, videos, or even music using AI, I have a bunch of discounts at the description of this video, so you can save some money. Okay, let's continue. Okay, now let's do the same thing, but in this case, we're gonna use a Spanish with a Spanish file. So we do the same thing. We upload the file. In this case, I have this web file, and we hit transcribe. It works identically for Spanish or any other language. And here we save the voice, we give it a transcription, and in this case, I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna copy the transcription and paste it here in the prompt or in the text that we want to generate, and click generate. And here is the result in Spanish.
En el espacio creativo, Higgsfield AI está creciendo a un ritmo sin precedentes. La startup acaba de recaudar una extensión de 80 millones, valorando oficialmente a la compañía en 1.3 mil millones de dólares. Lo más impresionante es que Higgsfield alcanzó una tasa de ingresos anuales de 200 millones de dólares.
Wow, and the intonation is excellent. Actually, I'm a native Spanish speaker, so the sound is very... I mean, it's spotless. It's very clean. It really captures the natural rhythm and the cadence of the language. And the model handles Spanish as a secondary language very, very well. Before moving on to the next other models, let's take a look at a couple of things in the settings panel worth knowing about. First, under transcription engines, you will see that VoiceBox uses Whisper by default, which is currently the best open source model for audio transcription. That's what powers the built-in transcriber, and there are different versions that you can download depending on your needs. Here, the second thing worth mentioning is the network option, which lets you run VoiceBox remotely over your local network. This means you can have a voice running on your PC and access it the full interface from another device as long as you are on the same network. Actually, I have a separate video explaining how to save this app for a non-local network using Tailscale. So you can click here to watch more. Okay, now let's test the other models. We will use the same text and switch to, in this case, we're gonna use Lux TTS, which is a newer model I hadn't tried before. We download the model first, then generate the voice. And if it's the first time you run this, it will automatically start to run the model in the background. We copy the same settings as before, the same prompt, and we click here on generate. Okay, I'm just gonna pause this part because it's gonna download the model. And here we have the result.
Do you know that this year the trend is to create your own AI influencer? Found this platform that can create AI influencers with natural movements, and they are 100% customizable. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own avatar using this AI influencer tool here in Higgsfield. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started.
Lux TTS sounds solid, but it doesn't quite match the naturalness of Qwen 3 TTS for this type of content. It also worth noting that Lux TTS only generates voices in English. It has no multilingual support. So if you need another language, won't work for that. In that case, I'll still prefer Qwen 3 TTS. It has a better option in my case. Now let's do one final test using Tada. We will follow the same process, paste the same text, and hit generate. Okay, and here we have the result.
En el espacio creativo, Higgsfield AI está creciendo a un ritmo sin precedentes. La startup acaba de recaudar una extensión de 80 millones valorando oficialmente a la compañía en 1.3 mil millones de dólares. Lo más impresionante es que Higgsfield alcanzó una tasa de ingresos anuales de 200 millones de dólares en menos de 9 meses.
Wow, that sounds really good. The intonation is very natural, and the expression and cadence is in Spanish is excellent. Now let's generate the same text in English using this Tada model, and we can do a direct comparison with Qwen 3 TTS. Okay, one important thing to mention is to make sure you have English voice profile selected when generating English text, or in this case, because if you leave it set to Spanish voice, you will get this dubbed effect that sounds like the words is spoken in a Spanish speaker with English in English. So it's a bit weird.
A fine con des plateforme que quelle influencers naturale moviments in ese
So here we just switch to the English voice profile and generate. And we have here the result.
Do you know that this year the trend is to create your own AI influencer? I found this platform that can create AI influencers with natural movements, and they are 100% customizable. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own avatar using this AI influencer tool here in Higgsfield. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started.
Wow, the pronunciation is clear and natural in English. Let's put it side by side with Qwen 3 TTS.
Do you know that this year the trend is to create your own AI influencer? I found this platform that can create AI influencers with natural.
Honestly, the two are very similar in terms of overall quality. Tada is excellent, especially for multilingual content.
Do you know that this year the trend is to create your own AI influencer?
But for that English generation speed, I think Qwen 3 TTS is still faster. Okay, and that's it for this video. If you like it, please thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, activate the bell so you get notifications on my new videos. Also, send me your comments if you have any specific topic you want me to talk about here in my channel. I will be more than happy to help. And if you made it this far, I invite you to watch this other video. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.